What are fund of funds and how do they work? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about fund of funds or FOF, what they are and how they work. Fund of funds can be an interesting investment option, especially for those looking for diversification. Let's break it down and understand how they fit into the world of mutual funds. What is a fund of fund? That is, what is FOF? A fund of fund or FOF is a type of mutual fund that invests in other mutual funds rather than directly investing in stocks, bonds or other securities. In other words, instead of buying individual securities, the FOF buys shares of other funds. This strategy offers an added layer of diversification by holding multiple funds in a single investment. How do fund of funds work? A FOF works by pooling money from investors and investing that money into a variety of other mutual funds. These funds could be equity funds, debt funds, or even international funds, depending on the strategy the FOF follows. The idea is to provide investors with exposure to a mix of assets which help in reducing risk while potentially increasing returns over time. For example, a FOF could invest in a mix of large capital equity funds, bond funds, and international funds. This approach allows you to diversify your portfolio across different sectors, asset classes, and regions, all with just one investment. Advantages of fund of funds. One of the main advantages of fund of funds is the diversification it offers. Since the FOF invests in various funds, it spreads the risk across different asset classes and investment strategies. It can also be a suitable option for investors who may not have the time or expertise to select and manage individual funds. Another benefit is professional management. The fund manager of the FOF decides whether to allocate the capital among different underlying funds, which can be helpful for investors who prefer a more hands-off approach. Considerations to keep in mind. However, there are some things to consider. FOFs generally come with a higher fee because you are paying for both the fees of the underlying funds and the management fee of the FOF itself. So, while they offer diversification, it's important to be mindful of the cost structure. In summary, a fund of funds is an investment that gives you exposure to a variety of mutual funds, offering diversification and professional management. But it's essential to weigh the potential costs before investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more financial education. Thanks for watching. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.